Hi, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Koosje Koenen and I'm here to guide you on your creative journey. I am on my own creative journey, so why don't we do it together? And today I want to show you a sketchbook that I filled. It's my latest sketchbook and it is a Hahnemühle Toned Watercolor Sketchbook. It's a new sketchbook from Hahnemühle and I tried it and it's pretty cool. So I will just flip through the pages and you can see for yourself. You might recognize this one from a previous Draw Tip Tuesday, so you have seen it before, but now I actually filled up the whole thing. I will go through it, just flip through it, so you can enjoy and see what I did. Have fun! I always love going through other people's sketchbooks, so I hope you enjoyed this too. This is also what I'm really trying to do for my upcoming book, to make it feel like you are going through one of my sketchbooks. Only it's filled with drawings from many years, so it's not just one sketchbook. Plus I share stories, experiences and tips and a little bit of advice for your own sketchbook habit and your own creative habit, and to just bring more creativity in your life, because who doesn't need that? If you are interested in the book, it's not out yet, but it will be soon, and you can sign up for the email list that I created especially for this, and I can email you as soon as I have some news for you, and I'll update you on the progress of the book as well. The link for that is below the video, and I will see you next week. Bye! Before you go, I want to remind you that I am teaching a workshop in Paris. This is going to happen this fall and it's called Paris Sketchbook, and you can sign up. You can learn from me and a bunch of other inspiring, wonderful artists, and you can find all the information that you need on the website, which I will link down below. Seats are limited, so make sure that you don't miss out on this one, because it might just be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I hope to see you in Paris. À bientôt!